Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best toaster ovens, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best toaster ovens options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which toaster ovens is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Breville Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Breville toaster ovens have been on our list for years because they're well-made and easy to use. This version is one of their latest and connects to an app that lets you choose a recipe and put the toaster oven on autopilot. It's larger than most toaster ovens, but sleek, and has a control panel with 13 settings that range from bake to air fry. It comes with high-quality accessories including 2 wire racks, a roasting pan, a pizza pan, an air fryer basket, and a broiling rack. The control panel is easy to read, and it stands out compared to other toaster ovens we tested for its intuitiveness. If the price feels a little steep, consider the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, which our deputy food editor Trish Klassen-Marcenico loves. It's similar, but doesn't include the connected capability. How it performed in our tests. In our tests, chicken, cake, and pizza all cooked evenly. Air-fried wings came out well too. They just weren't as crisp as the wings you'd get out of our top-tested air fryers or other air fryer toaster ovens we tested. We've been using this in our lab for more than a year, along with several of our consumer testers who use it daily, and the results have been consistently positive. Number 2. Panasonic FlashXpress Compact Toaster Oven. Popular on Amazon with more than 9,000 5-star reviews, this small toaster oven is perfect for people who want to toast bread and reheat food. It uses bright infrared lights to heat, which turn on instantly and heat quicker than typical cowl rods found in most toaster ovens. Note that this type of light cycles on and off during cooking to maintain the oven temperature. This toaster oven has an old-school design that turns on by pressing the power button and then selecting a function. You can choose from toast, frozen waffle, reheat roll, frozen pizza, quick reheat, and frozen hash browns. And you can set the toaster oven to a manual mode between 250 OUF and 500 WF. In our tests, the tops of bread toasted evenly. Pizza cooked quicker than others, so we suggest checking on frozen food sooner than you would with another toaster oven or oven. The wire rack is attached to the door and pulls out when you open the door. It also comes with a baking pan. One downside is that you can't cook raw foods in this model, so you'll have to stick to reheating and frozen foods. Number 3. Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Countertop Oven. You might note that the Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Countertop Oven is classed not as a toaster oven, but a countertop oven. But it takes on the same role as your toaster oven and then some. It has an impressive 90-second preheat time and claims to cook your food 30 faster than the average oven. And in our testing, we could see why. When reviewing this oven, we cooked a range of proteins from chicken to salmon, and found that we had to watch out for how fast they cooked. It's an easy adjustment to make though, and one which will save you time. A harder adjustment could be the noise, because this toaster oven is notably noisier than many of the other models in this guide. In our baking test, we found that the 90-second preheat didn't quite hold true, and allocated a few extra minutes to make sure our cookies, which require quite precise timings, came out perfectly cooked. The oven did a great job of cooking a large batch, and across the 2 9x9 tier trays, we were able to get through a dozen in one go. However, the trays do have grooves around the sides, meaning the bases were a little wonky. Number 4. Cosori Smart Air Fryer CS130AO. The Cosori Smart Air Fryer CS130AO is an impressive option at a mid-range price, and it comes with useful special features. When it comes to its basic functions, this model provides just decent performance in some cases and fantastic performance in others. It toasts very evenly, especially at maximum capacity, but the process is also very slow. It's more efficient when air frying, but it still cooks a bit less evenly and much more slowly than the Ninja Flip SP51. On the other hand, it maintains a very stable temperature throughout cooking, making it an ideal choice for baking. And it preheats pretty fast, so it's also a very good choice for quickly reheating leftovers. Beyond these basic functions, this toaster oven includes some less common options, like dehydrate, ferment, sous vide, and even rotisserie, which uses the included rotisserie spit. With access to the VSync app, you can send recipe info straight to the oven and monitor cooking too. Like the Ninja Foodi DT201, it has a very large cooking chamber, and while it can't fit as many slices of toast, it can accommodate a 13-inch pizza or bakeware like a 9x13 baking sheet. Plus, there's plenty of vertical space, making it easy to roast a whole chicken or bake a loaf of bread. It's also the easiest to clean of the bunch, thanks to the cooking chamber's non-stick coating. Number 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer TOA70. If you want to know if a toaster oven air fryer can stand in for a basket-style air fryer, the answer is somewhat complicated. While our top toaster oven air fryer pick, the Cuisinart Air Fryer TOA70, doesn't quite match the air frying performance of our best basket air fryer recommendation, the Ninja Foodi DZ550, it comes surprisingly close. Using its air fry mode and mesh air frying basket, the TOA70 makes mostly crispy foods like French fries and chicken wings. It air fries a little less evenly than the Ninja Foodi DT201, but it's much faster, rivaling the speed of most basket-style air fryers. Otherwise, it's a decently versatile option, though it has some downsides for uses beyond air frying. It's not the best for toasting, especially if you use its full 6-slice capacity, since it tends to toast the bottom of the bread very unevenly. It has mediocre temperature stability and sometimes overshoots your selected temperature, meaning baked goods like cookies or bread may dry out or burn before cooking through. On the plus side, it has an unusual grill feature that heats only from the bottom, which can be useful for things like burgers. It's easy to clean overall, although it can be hard to reach behind the upper elements. Number 6. Ninja Flip Toaster, Oven and Air Fryer. You get a lot of options with this Ninja toaster oven. It includes air fry, air roast, air broil, dehydrate, and warm, in addition to more standard settings. This lends itself to a control panel that's less intuitive than others, but spending any amount of time with the instruction manual should clear up any confusion. One thing that sets this toaster oven apart from the others is its space-saving design. While it doesn't have the smallest footprint on our list, the oven is designed to flip up to save counter space between uses. The capacity is impressive. We fit up to 9 cookies or slices of toast inside during testing. This kind of space allows you to easily prepare food for more than 1 or 2 people at a time. The dials and controls are very easy to read, especially with the light-up panel. A powerful heating element is both a pro and con. We found the suggested times were often longer than necessary. Toast was ready 45 seconds before the timer was set to go off, while the cheese was fully melted after just 90 seconds. Though the cookies and fries turned out perfectly, the bread didn't toast evenly, indicating that the oven was hottest in the front and coolest in the back right corner. Number 7. Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cosori Original Air Fryer Toaster Oven does a nice job of baking and broiling, but it struggles a bit with toasting. It toasts evenly, but the programmed times for each setting are extremely long, more than 7 minutes at medium. Bread comes out darker than expected and smokes heavily at the longest setting. You'll have to compromise a bit on air frying results too. French fries or chicken nuggets don't come out much crisper than if you baked them in an oven, though frozen convenience foods do cook up with an extra crunch. This is a large, well-designed appliance with an LED screen and dial controls. The air fryer basket will need a good soak to get it clean, but the baking dish has a non-stick coating. It includes an excellent cookbook to help you get the most out of your oven. Number 8. Ninja 12-in-1. Double Oven. The Ninja 12-in-1. Smart Oven makes preparing family meals easy. We like that this toaster oven offers several cooking options, so you can use it however you see fit. With this pick, you can use the top oven for quick meals and snacks, or use both ovens to cook 2 meals with different settings. The toaster oven's large capacity accommodates a variety of foods, like a whole chicken or a 12-inch pizza. The top rapid oven settings include bake, broil, reheat, keep warm, bagel, and toast. Cooking settings for the bottom convection oven are air fry, convection bake, pizza, air roast, whole roast, and dehydrate. During testing, we were impressed with the Smart Finish feature, which syncs both ovens to cook 2 meals that are ready at the same time and includes a thermometer for precision. We like the oven's intuitive controls and solid build. However, keep in mind that the size of the oven requires ample counter space. And while the ovens can cook meals separately, we were disappointed that only the top oven door can be opened independently.